So during the shout out Miami, you were giving a list of things that you would do in LA and things like that. You put some names of restaurants and things. I didn't see no Haitian food.
Yeah, what's up with that?
That's
Where's the
okay.
my moulin, huh?
There is. There's okay. I'm gonna shout out
Justice for
one
my moulin, the Haitian food.
I'm gonna shout out one Haitian restaurant, which is oh my gosh. Lord, I can't remember their name, but they're in downtown LA and they're Venezuelan Haitians. So yeah, so it's a mix of some Hispanic dishes and Haitian dishes. I would say they are the spot on. Now I'm a Floridian Haitian, okay? So my food is good. My food is good. My flavoring is good. So I would say they were probably the most spot on in terms of like tasting like home. You can even ask me to cook like regular food. Like I'm not good at that stuff.
She gave me the spaghetti, and she came back with a little ball of gate.
Mm. Oh,
I ate so good.
oh, that's good.
Yeah.
A little bowl of got there for you.
Oh
That's sweet.
yes. Oh yes. It was so good. There were two of them, Belle Fouchette and Rendezvous.